Welcome to Alltech. Today we're reviewing the LEADSTAR HDMI cable, the ultimate accessory for your high-definition entertainment and gaming needs. Let's dive into what makes this cable a must-have for tech enthusiasts. The LEADSTAR HDMI cable is designed to last. With an ultra-durable nylon-braided exterior and a bend lifespan exceeding 10,000 cycles, this cable is built for heavy-duty use. The pure copper core ensures flawless signal transmission, while the gold-plated connectors and imported chips guarantee reliable high-speed performance. This cable supports HDR video transmission with a bandwidth of up to 18 Gbps. It delivers 4K video resolution at 60 Hz, offering 4 times the clarity of standard 1080p. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or working on a high-resolution display, the LEADSTAR HDMI cable ensures stable and vibrant visuals. Equipped with the latest HDMI 2.0 standard, this cable has been rigorously tested for compatibility with a wide range of devices. It's backward compatible with earlier HDMI versions, making it versatile for older and newer setups. From Xbox and PlayStation consoles to Fire TV, Apple TV, Blu-ray players, and even PCs, this cable connects seamlessly to TVs, AV receivers, and displays. It supports additional features like Ethernet 3D and the Audio Return Channel, ARC, ensuring you get a comprehensive multimedia experience. Whether you're hosting a movie night, leveling up in your favorite video game, or simply connecting your laptop to a larger screen, the LEADSTAR HDMI cable offers consistent performance. Its 48-bit per pixel color depth ensures vibrant visuals, while its durability guarantees long-term reliability. The LEADSTAR HDMI cable is more than just a connector. It's a high-performance solution for all your HDMI needs. With its durable design, cutting-edge technology, and universal compatibility, it's an essential addition to any home entertainment or gaming setup. Hit like, subscribe to Alltech, and share your experiences with HDMI cables in the comments. Have you tried the LEADSTAR HDMI cable yet? Let us know your thoughts and stay tuned for more reviews and tech updates. Until next time, keep your tech upgraded.